Are you looking to build wealth and secure your financial future? Have you ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer while many of us struggle to accumulate wealth? Welcome to Wealthway. In this video, we'll delve deeper into the 7 proven assets that can help you build wealth and achieve financial security. Join me as we uncover the secrets of the wealthy and learn how you, too, can create a lasting legacy of financial independence. Asset 1. Real estate. Real estate is often considered one of the cornerstones of wealth building. Wealthy individuals tend to invest in real estate in various ways. One popular strategy is flipping. Flipping involves acquiring a property at a price lower than its market value, improving it, and then selling it for a profit. This can involve a renovation, remodeling, or even holding onto the property until its value appreciates significantly. Real estate investors, however, take a different approach. They choose to hold onto their properties, benefiting from several key advantages. First, there's OPM, which stands for other people's money. Real estate allows you to create wealth using borrowed funds, making it a quicker path to financial growth compared to other asset classes. Secondly, there's appreciation. Real estate properties tend to increase in value over time, contributing to your overall net worth. Additionally, real estate ownership comes with tax benefits. Governments often provide tax deductions to property owners, further enhancing the financial benefits. Lastly, there's long-term cash flow. Real estate can provide a steady stream of rental income, which may even increase over the years. Many wealthy investors use loans to invest in real estate, and the rental income often exceeds the loan payments, providing them with additional financial advantages. Asset 2. Buying shares. Investing in shares of companies is not just a proven method for wealth creation. It's a pathway to financial growth that can be accessible to anyone willing to learn and make informed choices. This strategy is often underestimated, yet it offers tremendous potential for building wealth over the long term. Renowned investor Peter Lynch, known for his successful career as the manager of Fidelity Magellan Fund, highlights a crucial point that most people overlook. He suggests that individuals often have investment opportunities right under their noses, opportunities that arise from their daily lives and experiences. Consider this. If you work in a specific industry, you likely have a deep understanding of the companies operating within that sector. You witness firsthand which companies are thriving, innovating, and meeting market demands. Likewise, as a consumer, you encounter various products and services regularly, giving you valuable insights into market trends and consumer preferences. Rather than overlooking these opportunities, it's essential to take a closer look. Researching these companies becomes your entry point into the world of stock market investing. Dive into their financial statements, analyze their growth prospects, and assess their potential for investment. The stock market, often described as a double-edged sword, has the potential to transfer wealth from the impatient to the patient. Successful investors understand that it's not just about quick gains or reacting to every market fluctuation. Instead, it's about adopting a long-term perspective and investing in industries and companies you genuinely understand and believe in. In essence, when you invest in shares, you're not merely buying pieces of a company, you're becoming a part owner, sharing in its successes and growth. The wealth-building power of shares lies in the potential for capital appreciation and dividend income, both of which can significantly contribute to your financial well-being. While investing in shares can be a rewarding journey, it's crucial to educate yourself continuously, stay informed about market developments, and exercise patience. Successful investors often adhere to fundamental principles like diversification, risk management, and disciplined portfolio management. Asset 3. Licensing. Licensing is a lesser-known but valuable asset that can generate passive income. Licensing involves allowing others to use your ideas or products in exchange for royalties. Stephen Key is a prime example of someone who has made millions through licensing his inventions. Key's success story includes creating and selling various products, such as Michael Jordan's wall ball game. He earns commissions from multiple products, demonstrating that licensing can be a lucrative source of income with minimal capital investment. Licensing allows you to leverage your creative ideas, and if you hold valuable intellectual property, it can serve as a consistent revenue stream. Asset 4. Index funds. Index funds like the S&P 500 Index Fund offer an accessible way to invest in the stock market. These funds track specific market indices, providing investors with diversification and low fees. High net worth individuals often use index funds as a long-term investment strategy to grow their wealth steadily. When you invest in an S&P 500 index fund, you're essentially investing in the 500 largest corporations in the United States. This approach spreads your risk and can lead to substantial gains over time. It's important to note that patience is key in stock market investing. The stock market tends to reward those who stay invested over the long term. Asset 5. Digital assets. Digital assets, including cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and real estate investment trusts, are gaining popularity as tools for wealth building. These assets offer scalability and opportunities for passive income. Cryptocurrency, for example, has seen remarkable growth in recent years. Blockchain technology is disrupting various industries, and REITs provide an accessible way to invest in real estate without direct property ownership. Young entrepreneurs are capitalizing on digital assets by creating digital courses and products that can be replicated and distributed with minimal production costs. This scalability allows them to generate recurring income streams. Asset 6. Bonds. Bonds represent a secure form of investment. They are certificates issued by companies or governments when they borrow money. Bonds provide assurance that the borrowed funds will be repaid with interest by a specific date, making them more secure than investing in shares. Government-issued bonds are especially popular for their security and higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts. Bonds can be a stable and reliable way to grow your wealth, particularly if you prioritize safety in your investments. Asset 7. Businesses. Owning a business is another proven path to wealth creation. Businesses can generate substantial income in a relatively short period, especially if they are well managed and meet market demand. For the wealthy, businesses are often seen as assets that generate income with minimal effort. This doesn't necessarily mean that they have to be actively involved in the day-to-day operations. Instead, businesses can be managed by skilled professionals while providing a steady income stream to the owner. Buying an established business and making improvements can be an effective way to build wealth. It allows you to leverage existing customer bases and market presence, saving time and effort compared to starting a business from scratch. In conclusion, these 7 proven assets offer various avenues for building wealth and achieving financial security. The wealthy accumulate wealth and financial security by strategically using these methods. They understand the importance of making informed investments and leveraging opportunities to generate passive income. Remember, investing requires knowledge and patience. It's essential to do your research and seek advice if needed. The path to financial independence is within reach if you make wise choices and stay committed to your financial goals. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Wealthway. We hope you found the tips and tricks shared here valuable for your financial journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated with our latest uploads. Feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep striving for success and remember, your wealth awaits.